ICONNECHS 4K action camera. Got it in. Love this little camera. 4K high def resolution. Camera itself's very well packaged and protected for shipping. Camera out the box. Real easy to get to your camera. Don't try and force it to get it out the case. Just slide the little lever over. It pops up, pops open. Voila, camera in hand. Little case, set it to the side. You have your power button on the front, your selection button. This will be your picture taking button, record button. On the side, you have your up and down for your menus, your zoom in and out, and your Wi-Fi button. Alright, this is going to take you straight to your menu for your Wi-Fi so you can connect it to your phone and control the camera from your phone. Very important thing there. You won't turn the Wi-Fi on the phone. This will take you to the menu though so you can get the Wi-Fi on your phone. Hooked up to it with a Galaxy S7 Edge. Real easy to connect to. Really neat to work with. Have a bunch of straps, your charger cable, your different mounts to give you a lot of different ways to mount it. You have an extra cover for your waterproof case. That's pretty cool. Your little book here. The book has a quick thing so you can scan it to get your app, whether it's a iPhone or a Galaxy, Android type phone. Like I said, a bunch of different accessories, and that's about it. You will need a memory card. You need to charge it as soon as you get it out the box. It says that you should charge it for 3 hours because they're lithium ion batteries. You want to make sure you get a full charge your first time around. Get your little card in there and you're ready to roll.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the ICONNTECHS 4K Sports Ultra HD. That's 4K action camera, and as you see it looks much like the GoPro, but it's way better, and I'll tell you why real soon. It comes with built-in screen, and it's pretty rugged, rubberized surface. Pretty good. I've got an SD card in here, micro SD. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So what you do is press this button out here, and see ICONNTECHS. As you see, it's pretty good. I mean, I've been playing around with it for a while, and it's shown good results. I mean, pretty good. I had to reduce the exposure value by like 0.7 in order to get it to like adjust the light conditions. You see, it's got a photograph mode, and then you've got your settings. Let me go quick view over the settings. So you got the resolution, gyroscope, motion detection, burst, quality, sharpness, white color, all your basic settings. But yeah, additionally it has Wi-Fi. As you see, there's a Wi-Fi switch right here, and it helps you like connect to your phone with a built-in app, and everything's pretty much straightforward. I've been using this for a while now. I've been playing around with it. I've also connected it to a 4K screen, and it has shown promising results. Now, what comes in the box? You get this waterproof case, which is pretty sturdy. It comes with this amazing locking mechanism. As you can see, it locks in pretty well, and it comes with a ton of accessories. So you've got, let me just show you. You've got another back cover. You've got it's called a skeleton hole, and then you've got tons of like accessories. This is a bike handlebar mount. It comes with charging cables. Its battery is pretty good though. It comes with a 1050 mAh battery, which takes videos up to like 90 minutes on 10 frames per second. It comes with a strap mount. It comes with more cables, cleaning cloth, and here additional small accessories that get you to like turn it and move it into whichever direction you would like it to record. And I've done a water test with the case, and it's held up pretty well. For the price, it's a pretty good camera, and I would definitely recommend buying it. Yep. Thank you for watching.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.